Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America. I have a dealership here in Western Colorado. It's been a while since I made a video, so let me show you some tips on bobbins and oiling again. So there has been a rash of Amazon bobbins. There's the black bobbins for the 4, 5, and 7 series are being sold on different sites, and they're not official Bernina bobbins. And what happens is they will get stuck in your bobbin case. They don't fit exactly right. They look exactly the same. When you put them next to another one, you say, oh, that'll work. But they're a little different size, and it will really wreak havoc with your stitch quality on your machine. So what I want you to make sure is when you buy bobbins, they come in the official branded Bernina cases. This is a case of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's a case of 25. I sell both of these on my Shopify account, and that's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. So this is a pretty good deal. You get 25 bobbins, and it's like getting the carrying case for free, as compared to buying 4 packs of this. So if you're having troubles with your bobbin getting stuck in the bobbin case, or the bobbin case getting stuck in the hook system, I would try some Bernina branded bobbins that you know are good bobbins. If you've gotten some on Amazon and they come in funny cases or whatever, I'd recommend you get rid of them, because they're just going to potentially wreck your machine or damage it and not perform as well. The other thing I want to go over is the alternative way to oil your 7 series, anything with the black bobbin that's not an 8 series. And this has been an approved oiling method since July of 2019. So it's not something I invented. It's something that I showed the techs way back, and they went through BI and they decided this was an acceptable way to oil. So on your screen it shows you to take everything out. So this is the way it shows you how to do on the screen. So you take this all out, you put oil, these little pen lights are handy, you put oil, and this is official Bernina oil, Valicite 6 for this, and you put it down in this race, and then on the inside of this there's pads, and you need to do this at least weekly. So you want to get down these pads and soak these pads. There's fuzz that comes out the edge. You want to make sure you don't pull on that with tweezers. See the edge there? If you pull the pad out, you're going to be buying a brand new hook, and they're over $100. So you want to make sure those pads are soaked with oil and not overfilling. I've seen them pure white, so they've been dry. So you want to check those weekly. I actually oil in there or on top every time I start sewing. I'm going to show you the alternative way of oiling, but you still have to oil down here inside this hook and oil those pads. Now I have a cool technique on getting this hook back in. I call it turtleback, or the baby carriage. You want to look in there and you see that silver dot. Rotate the hand wheel until that silver dot straight down. There's a hole in the back of this hook. So we're going to take that hole and point it straight in with the back of it like a turtle, and I just rest it right on the black carrier there. Go in there, and if it's perfect it just snaps in. If not, I rock the hand wheel back and forth just about 1/8 of a turn until it pops in. So that is all ready to oil. Now I'm going to show you alternative method. You can take the foot off. You don't have to when you get good at it. You pop the top off. This way the oil gets all the way down using a gravity method. So if you look right down in there, you'll see this real shiny, that's the tip of the hook. You can put a drip of oil on there, and Trista's going to move it just a little bit, and that's what you want to oil, is the moving part. You don't want to oil anything else in there. And then that's done. And I oil about every 3 hours of sewing. If you're embroidering what they call freestanding lace, you're going to want to oil it about every hour, hour and a half, because it gets warm down there and uses up that oil. it's putting in 5,000 to 8,000 stitches every hour or so. So you want to keep that lubricated. Again, make sure that you're using only genuine Bernina bobbins. And if you're struggling getting it to latch in there, or if it doesn't latch or doesn't stay in, then try a true tested bobbin. You can get the bobbins at any Bernina dealer. You can get them on my Shopify account. That's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. You can call the shop and actually speak with somebody in person. Sometimes I even answer the phone. That's 970-256-1293. We start answering the phone at 9:30 a.m. Mountain Time. And I answer all of my emails personally, so you can contact me at jpvlefty@aol.com. If you know how to get in the comment section, that's all going to be down in there. So appreciate that. And if you can, please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm getting well over 40,000 subscribers, and that's helping me stay on top of the search engine and helping people out taking care of their machines. Thanks very much.